In this video, you will learn how to make a CRM in Airtable. First, set up your base. Create a base design in Airtable and choose a template or start from scratch. You can use the Sales CRM template to get a head start. Then, set up your table for different types of data. This can be such as contacts, companies, deals and activities. Each table will store more specific information related to your CRM. Customize fields. Add and customize fields in each table to capture the necessary information. For example, in the contacts table, you might need to include fields for names, emails, phone numbers and company. Link tables. Use correctly linked records to connect related information across different tables. For example, link the contacts table to the companies table to associate each contact with the company. After that, automate the workflow. Set up an automation to streamline your process. You can create automations to send out follow-up emails, updated deal structures, and notify your team members of important activities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.